Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make a delicious Guyanese-style tuna sandwich. First, gather your ingredients. You'll need 2 cans of tuna, your favorite bread, and about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise. Also, prepare 1 small onion, half a bell pepper, and a tiny piece of wiri pepper, all finely chopped. Don't forget mustard, black pepper, and a pinch of salt. Now, let's prepare the flavorful filling. Start by thoroughly draining your canned tuna. This prevents a soggy sandwich. In a bowl, combine the drained tuna with about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon of mustard. Add a dash of black pepper and a pinch of salt. Finally, gently fold in your finely chopped onions, bell peppers, and a few sprigs of fresh thyme for that authentic Guyanese flavor. With your delicious tuna mixture ready, it's time to assemble. Take your favorite Guyanese bread, perhaps a soft tennis roll or plate bread. Spread a generous layer of the tuna filling onto 1 slice. For an extra touch, you can add a slice of cheddar cheese or some crisp lettuce. Place the second slice of bread on top, pressing gently to ensure everything holds together perfectly. Your Guyanese-style tuna sandwich is now complete and ready to be enjoyed. This simple yet incredibly flavorful sandwich is perfect for a quick lunch or a satisfying snack. You can serve it as is, or perhaps toast the bread lightly for a warm, crispy texture. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy every delicious bite.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.